So hi everyone, my topic is talk about how to change a flat tire on a freeway, and I'm Junior. Start again. Hi everyone, my name is Junior Long, and my topic will talk about how to change a flat tire on a freeway. Every driver knows there's not good time for a flat tire. It can occur anywhere on the road, in the freeway or desert road. So it make it necessary for every drivers to have the skills and the right tools required in changing a flat tire. With this, each driver can effectively manage a flat tire without requesting for help. I will provide a list of items required and provide step-by-step process for changing a flat tire in a freeway. Each driver needs to have a various item while driving on the road. These items will include a jack, flat light, flat cut woods, fully in flat spare tire, a launch wrench. Others that will be necessary include gloves and rain poncho. It is recommended that a car owner or a driver check the availability to these items from time to time. For example, the air pressure, um, and the spare tire should be checked regularly as the driver checks the other items, the other tires. These will be crucial when they experience a flat tire on the road. When you experience a flat tire, the first steps will to look for safe locations by moving on the side of the road or the slowest lane. Drivers are advised to slow down their vehicles and turn on the hazard light as they pull over to the safest spot to prevent the vehicle from rolling or being involved in an accident involving the other vehicle. It is recommended to change a tire in a straight stretch to enable drivers for incoming vehicle to slow down and avoid an accident in case one is changing it on the road. Secondarily, other stopping, it is advisable to apply in parking brake to reduce the to reduce the chance of the vehicle rolling as you change the flat tire. The third is one needs to apply the wheel ridge to prevent the vehicle from rolling as one fixed the flat tire. They're placed at the front of the front tires while changing a rear tire, and behind the rear tire while changing a front tire. It is a situation that a dryer does not have a wheel edge. They could use a stone large enough to support the car from rolling. The fourth step includes loosening a lunge nuts using the lunge wrench. And if a car has the wheel cover or a hubcap, the driver is expected to remove them first. Um, this requires a quarter or half turn, but the driver should not remove the tire. The fifth step is to place the vehicle jack in a safe place under the vehicle and use it to raise the car. A driver can place the jack above a flat cut wood to enhance the stability of the car jack. It is expected that the driver lift the flat tire to 2 or 4 inches above the ground. The sixth step involves unscrewing the launch nuts and remove them from the tire. The seventh step is removing the flat tire by grabbing the strands and pulling it gently out the wheel. So the eighth step involving moving the spare tire on the launch block and pushing it gently while holding the tire tread. The ninth step is to tighten the nuts using your hands and wrench, but one should not tighten them completely. The 10th step is lowering the vehicle to the ground and removing the car jack before fully tighten the launch nuts using the wrench. The 11th step is to replace the wheel cap or hump cap and stowing the item using in addition to the flat tire in the vehicle and driving away. And finally, the driver is expected to drive to the nearest locations to have the flat tire repair or to purchase a new tire and put it on the vehicle because temporary tires are not meant to be used for a long distance or a car driven in high speed. Knowing how to change a tire is a skill that every driver should have. It only takes around 15 to 25 minutes, and it is easy process provided one has the skills and item required. A flat tire could be dangerous, especially on a busy road or a high speed, which make it important for drivers to regularly ensure that their tires are well and flat and ensure they monitor trend wear and make plans to replace worn out tires. These precautions are necessary to reduce the chance of having a flat tire and increasing the life of the tires. Thank you, everyone.